I've had a lovely idea. It's lashing it down out there at the moment, and the temperature's dropping. So what can we do with this? Well, obviously you can use an umbrella to get your... What? It's a brand new umbrella. Oh look, you can catch the rain. Now you can use an umbrella, it will stop you getting wet, but it's not going to keep you warm. No, but if you get a patio heater and put the two together, now that's an idea. Yes, Colin. Right, well obviously this umbrella would melt if you put a patio under it, so I'm going to have to make a metal umbrella. Yeah! We'll get the material bit off basically. There we go, right. Oh, look at this, look. Oh, I've got an itchy nose. Now of course, there is the issue of potentially going to burn your face. We'll deal with that afterwards. Let's got that off there. What we could use that for, right? I can make an umbrella out of it. Now basically what I want to do is I want to try and measure these triangles. Now they're not triangles, they must have a slight curve to them so that when you bend them they all still meet, because if you just did triangles and tried to weld them together you wouldn't end up with that bend, they'd just be like a whatever shape that is. So right, I think I'm going to have to guess this curve because I think the actual material stretches, but that's not going to happen in stainless steel, is it? Forget the money, the fortune and fame. Azura Kings, don't forget the name. And I can see you like they're standing next to me, with any degree of certainty. There's no you and me no more. And I can see your eyes are standing. Right, it's got two of them welded together. Now, am I happy with that? Because I've only done them out of steel initially, but before I go wasting stainless steel, let's get something which is near enough. I think it'll be alright. It wants to bend a little bit more the other way. So do I go for it? These are the biggest triangles I can fit on my plasma cutter. Right, I'm going for it. So let's have... Oh, I dropped it. This is pretty cool in its own right, look, stainless steel umbrella. Now I've only tack welded it, so the next part we need to do is take the old patty eater to bits and see if we can kind of fit it up inside here, give it a nice handle, and there we are, Mary Poppins, eat your heart out. And it's nice and light. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I need a haircut. Right, so this is basically the main bit we need. Now then, ideally, don't want it as big as this, because when it was a patio heater, it was actually pretty good. You could sit like 2 or 3 foot away from it, you'd still get a fair amount of heat. So, I'm going to lower that down. We're going to get rid of a load of this. We've got like thermocouples, pilot lights. We'll light it straight with a spark igniter, because that's all safety features. No, it's not going to be safe. No! Shrink it all a little bit, bolt it all up underneath the umbrella, and then somehow make our little post with some sort of gas. We need some sort of control over it so it's not just although it would be cool for it to just go and that'll be that sorted. So reduction is the word, Colin. Reduction. Just going to go and hide down here now.
And there they were, going on and on, shrill voices hurt my ears like thunder. But before I could apologize and ask and say, why are you haunting me? And the man said, hey Steph, I know you did your best, but I really had the hots for your sister. I'm sorry, Samantha. It's been a long time, but you really did look fat in that picture. Don't feel bad. I just need Mrs. Hot, Mrs. Cold, Mrs. Too Hot to handle. Oh my God, wanna put you on my mantle. Please to your mother, I can be a lover. Mrs. Hot, Mrs. Cold, Mrs. Too Hot to handle. Oh my God, wanna put you on my mantle. Please to your mother, I can be a lover.
Okay, lovely job of that, Colin. Yep, that's all cut down. Now, next thing you need to do is whack a handle on it and then sort the gas bottle out on the handle with like the controls. Stick it on the umbrella and go for a lovely wet but warm walk. Ha ha ha!
You get an A forever. We had a lot of fun, but all you ever did was make my head hurt. In a different place, in a different time, we make the same choice every time. You get an A forever. We had a lot of fun, but all you ever did was make my head hurt. In a different place, in a different time, I make the same choice every time. Don't feel bad, baby. I forgive you. I moved on. My life is 100 times better now. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Mrs. Slow, Mrs. Too Hot to handle. Oh my God, put you on my mantle. Please to your mother, I can be a lover. Mrs. Hot, Mrs. Cold, Mrs. Too Hot to handle. Oh my God, wanna put you on my mantle. Please to your mother, I can be a lover. I'm so over it.
Yeah, we have the Colin Furze gas heated umbrella. Finished it off. We've got some wonderful little strips on the top here. We've got a badge. Look, it says Furze, so you definitely know who built this. Also, I've got this shoulder strap here because, as you guessed it, this thing is not light at all. And then also, we've got an igniter in the handle bit down here, so I can just turn the gas on. Do that now. Oh, yeah. All of a sudden, get rather warm. Now I think we should take it outside. It is for outside when it's chucking it down with rain, when it's freezing cold. And I'm in my lovely warm shed. Not very tall in the shed, by the way. What? What is going on? I made a roof outside so it could rain, and it never rained for 6 weeks. I started making this because it started to get cold and started to rain, and the whole time I've been building it, it's not rained and it's been warm. It's not global warming, it's me. Right, we need a solution. Bigger shed. How brilliant is this? Dry, warm, perfect. I feel like I'm in a tropical climate. This is actually a good idea. Now, it's not particularly safe, which you can see more at night. Heat. It can potentially take all your hair off and it weighs too much and you can't fold it down. It's a perfect furze invention. And I was thinking as well, but when it's not raining and you're just keeping the sun off you, you could use it for something else. Huh? The first bit of bacon ever to be cooked on an umbrella. Yet another world's first for the Furze shed. What about an egg? Come on. Quick, cook quickly, cook quickly. Colin. Maybe not eggs. Well, I think I need to go for a walk because this is going to take a few minutes to cook. Cooking, yes.
described an umbrella as tasty before.
Look at this. Right, bit of bacon. Slight aroma of WD-40, little twang there. But there are. There are converts, gas heated, cooking umbrella, stovey thingy, whatever you want to call that. Subscribe, this is what happens. See you in the next video, internet.